Video number 4. How your business can get the most out of WhatsApp. WhatsApp has an awesome set of marketing tools that almost no other platform may offer you. What we are going to show you in videos 4 through 10 is setting up and getting to know your account, WhatsApp settings, WhatsApp calls, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp contacts, WhatsApp web, and how to use WhatsApp as a business owner or independent professional. Setting up and getting to know your account. To start using WhatsApp, you must download the application and install it. Before installing WhatsApp, remember to check if your phone is compatible with the application. You must use your wireless network or internet plan to download and install the application. If your phone is an Android, go to the store by clicking on Play Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger. And then click on the green icon, which is the original icon for WhatsApp. Once you are there, you will learn some information about the application, such as how many times it has been downloaded, its overall rating among users, etc. You now will click on Install. You will then learn what WhatsApp will need to get access to within your phone to use it properly. To authorize it, click on Accept and wait for the application to download. Once the download has finished, you will go to your application screen and you will see a shortcut to WhatsApp. Just click on it. WhatsApp will welcome you to its cross-platform messaging with friends all over the world, and you will see icons where it can be installed and used. You can also click on the Terms of Service to learn more about the appropriate uses of WhatsApp. It is very important to take a close look at every part of the WhatsApp Terms of Service. It doesn't matter that it's a free and easy-to-use application. They can shut down your account if you don't meet their terms. After reading the Terms of Service, close the window and you will be back to WhatsApp. If you agree to these terms, click on Agree and Continue. To use WhatsApp, you must register your phone number. This number will register the phone number in your account. Each country has a different code. You must select your country and enter your phone number and click